Howdy. Name is Max. The no code is my game. I don't know. Episode 22 of NoCodeNerd. Check it out. So, today we're talking about MailChimp. If you don't know what MailChimp is, you are actually living under a rock if you do anything in the tech kind of marketing space, because MailChimp is definitely the most popular mail tool out there. But I'm making a video on it because it is especially helpful for students and people that are just getting into email marketing, right? If you need to have a newsletter or an email kind of system, they have a really nice suite of tools to help you do awesome stuff for free. Like, most of their tools and most of their stuff is for free. It's really, really incredible. I use it for my personal website. It's kind of your just basic newsletter tool. I did one on Substack recently, like a NoCodeNerd video on Substack recently. Substack is really good if it's newsletter focused, but you can do a lot with MailChimp, and MailChimp integrates with things a lot better. So if we go to my personal website and we click the subscribe button, this pops up. We did an episode on Typeform, right? This is the Typeform, right? I made a little Typeform embed. It pops up. It's super, super simple. And then grab your email. Great, right? I build tiny startups and live streams you can't join every week, so I write succinct email updates. This Typeform integrates directly with MailChimp, because MailChimp is one of those ever popular, just super, super common tools, so everybody integrates with it, and it's really, really nice. When you submit this, your email gets sent to my MailChimp account automatically for free, very smoothly. And then every week on Monday, I send out a newsletter from MailChimp, and it goes out, and it's wonderful. I have a few hundred subscribers. It's a blast. So it's a very simple email tool to deal with. It's definitely the most popular on the market for a good reason. It's really solid. It's relatively basic, but really, really solid. Gets the job done, and it does most of it for free. So check out MailChimp. I'll see you in the next episode.